All right, today I'm in the bedroom. Um, got a new phone here, and I said I unveil it, and I just did all the updates. But LG Wing, I bought this off a seller on eBay. It was new unlocked, but still the AT&T version. Got the real 5G. Um, Yeah, it's pretty good. I actually like it. There's some cool features about it. A lot of reviewers sleep on this phone, but honestly, I like it better than the Note right now. For one, the battery life is pretty good compared to my Note, and then the customization is about the same on the Note, but it's pretty cool. Um, let's see here. It got some cool features. I know a lot of people that went over it online, but I say this phone right here is a keeper. Like along with the Note. I like the Note too, so I'm not gonna front. This phone is pretty badass. I just say to update it, you just gotta have the phone on 100% battery. That's the only thing I hate. But I did like 5 updates in a row, so it's still on Android 10. But I'm not really caring. Only thing I really care about is the security. As long as the security is oh man, I'm tripping. As long as the security is up to snuff, that's what I care about. So I got my security on, and this is on Android 10. I just show it to you guys. Just yeah, Android 10, software version, and software info, and the security patch is June the 1st. So very recent, actually a month old. So that's pretty good. So it's pretty secure, and then what I like about this versus my Note is what people skip on is the Google Play system date. And that's recent. So that's pretty good. Yeah, the one on the Note is the February version. So yeah, shame. But pretty much the phone is pretty cool. It's snappy, it's quick. Um yeah, I'm not a big specs person. I just say the specs are pretty good. Um, the phone doesn't give me any problems. Snap this back. I don't have a. I do have a thing, but I don't like it. Um, let's see here. Any other things to be aware of? Not really. It got some party tricks. I know people want to see it. I think the only thing is you're a camera junkie. I'm not much of a camera junkie, but I do like that dual recording feature. I think the only flaw with this is like the dual video is only available through, let me make sure I'm not lying to you. Yeah, okay. The dual video is only available in this mode. So pretty much you got your gimbal mode. It's pretty neat. Yeah. All this gonna come up. Okay. Got it. Got it. Next. Okay. The dual recording, the camera pops up. It's pretty cool, man. It's pretty cool. I like it. It records in just 10, was it full HD, so 1080p. Not bad because most people's TVs, cable TVs, are not even in 480 or whatever. So so it'll be pretty good enough. So yeah, but the dual recording is pretty cool on this. You just have to be in this mode to do it. This badass. Everything popped up. It's kind of like that supercar where everything's flipped up. I guess that's the look I see. But it is what it is. But other than that, I mean, it's a cool phone. Uh, Yep, but pretty cool phone. This is my new daily driver. Well, they both daily drivers have. Thank you, government. But I really do like this phone. It's a slept-on phone, and I look forward to using it. Um, I don't really care about the Android version. Just as long as they keep it secure, then I'm good. I stuck with Android 9 on the Huawei's for a long time. I do say I have been missing out on a lot of features. So letting y'all know that's it. And there's some cool features. Oh yeah, the fingerprint scanner situation. Oh, some reviewers ripped this thing, but I do say that the fingerprint scanner on this is a lot better than it is on the Note. Like the Note, I struggle with it sometimes, but this I don't struggle with it. So I don't know. I guess it's just their opinion or whatever, but I'm actually holding both phones, and I just tell you, like this is to me, this is more solid than my Note. Like my Note, I hear the camera a little bit rattling a little bit. This is pretty solid. Now I feel a little bit of play on the mechanism, but I expect that. I don't expect to hear no noise, no slot from the camera on the Note. So I don't know, but it is what it is. But oh well. All right. Let me go ahead and post this up on the YouTube, and I'll give my thoughts about using it periodically.